Patsy here, and I'm just going to do a little quick jump in. Mickey asked about using the ultra thick impressions folders, the embossing folders. These are the dynamic textured embossing folders, and they're quite a bit thicker than the original traditional embossing folders. So I'm going to just do a quick demonstration how to use these. When you get your big shot, it comes with the platform plate plus this adapter. You're not going to need the adapter. If you have the old style, you know, that were pages, then you flip the pages open. But we're going to use just the platform itself. And for the big thick folders, you're going to just put your paper in just like you did with the traditional folder, and I hope you're seeing this okay. It's a little hard to demonstrate the big shot because it takes up more room than I could get my camera. You're going to stick that on your platform, and typically you use 2 plates and make a sandwich, but we're going to just use 1 plate. Here I grabbed new plates, and maybe that wasn't a good idea. They're pretty shiny. We're going to run this through the big shot. Just crank it through. And when you open it up, you have this incredible, great, very textured design. This is that new folder, and I can't remember the name of it offhand now, but this is in the New Occasions catalog and is super, super fun. Now, if you were going to use just your typical old style embossing folder, you stick that in your folder just like we did the other one, but on this one you're going to sandwich it between the 2 plates. So you go in here and you run it through your big shot, and voila. So thick folder, 1 plate, thin folder, 2 plates. So that's the trick.